action.
To load the quick loop mop, you take your cloth. This is a terry cloth. Take your cloth about the center of the cloth, and you're gonna use the center of the cloth along the rail into the loop. So the loop appears to be wider than the cloth, and it's that way so you can easily load and unload this. And so the best way to do this is to drag this through until it makes a bunch. It will lock into the loop by dragging it directly outwards. So again, I'm going to ride this rail into the loop and drag directly outwards until it locks. And then I just drape the cloth over the quick loop. So this is perfect for mopping back and forth, for mopping most floors. If you're getting around furniture, getting in the corners, or you're mopping overhead, you might want to use the second loop. And to use the second loop, you're going to take some of the cloth and drape it a little bit more so it has a bit of a tail. And then you can take that tail, it's going to take two hands because this loop's much tighter. Take that tail and sort of bring it into that second loop. And now you can clean with the tip, or you can clean side to side. So to release it, you just, in reverse, you just pull that out, pull it back apart. So again, if this is wet, it's going to stick a little bit better to the mop. It's going to be easier to load. So you're going to just take the center of the cloth, drag it in, and keep dragging outwards, directly out, and that's what's going to make it bunch and lock.